Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. Stock number is A7591A. Starting right away up front, you have a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Caravan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.